Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve PPC campaigns with WordStream, full guide step by step clearly. To improve PPC campaigns with WordStream, begin by signing in to your WordStream account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns. Identify the campaigns that need improvement based on performance metrics. Analyze the current keyword performance to spot any underperforming keywords. Use WordStream's keyword tool to find new, relevant keywords that could enhance your targeting. Incorporate these new keywords into your existing campaigns. Next, review your ad copy to ensure it is compelling and aligns with user intent. Utilize WordStream's ad text optimization feature to receive suggestions for improving your ad copy. A/B test different variations of your ads to see which messages resonate best with your audience. Monitor your quality score in WordStream to understand how your ads are performing in terms of relevance. Adjust your bids based on the performance of your keywords and ads to maximize your return on investment. Implement negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing on irrelevant searches. Regularly check your campaign performance metrics to identify trends and areas for improvement. Use WordStream's automated reports to streamline the analysis process. Set up alerts to notify you about significant changes in campaign performance. Continuously optimize your landing pages to ensure they align with your ads and provide a good user experience. Regularly review competitor ads to identify best practices and gain insights into industry trends. Consider exploring WordStream's benchmarking tool to compare your performance against industry standards. Take advantage of seasonal trends by adjusting your campaigns to align with consumer behavior. Wrap up by documenting all changes and findings to keep track of your ongoing campaign improvements. Finally, schedule regular reviews to keep refining and optimizing your PPC strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.